Hey YouTube, RS Chaos Master Brian here. Just got a package in the mail. You guys can see where it's from. It's from Japan. Excuse me if I don't sound as normal as I normally do. Got done with the dentist today, but I figured I wanted to do an unboxing of this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is one of the items I was looking for at OhioCon and could not find, so I went online and bought it instead. Yeah, so it's pretty nice looking. You can see it's Asuna in her swimsuit from the extra edition. Well, I mean, I guess it's not exactly from the extra edition because she didn't wear like a bottom part like that. She just had her bikini, but still really nice. Pretty big fan of it, so I bought it. It's going to go with the rest of my Sword Art Online stuff. So, if you like this video, thumbs up. Any questions about this, post it below. I'm not going to open it. It's just going to go onto my pile. And, yeah. Other than that, we'll talk to you later, YouTube. Thanks. Bye.